Hi everyone, my name is Joseph Dalagdog. My assigned topic is all about the feasibility study. So class, what is feasibility study? So feasibility studies assesses the practicality or potential success of a proposed product or business venture by evaluating its technical, economic, and legal and operational aspect. So feasibility study is a comprehensive or a data analysis that determines the viability of a product or a project or a business idea. So the feasibility study it's important. Why? It because it helps determine if your business plan or idea is a practical, profitable, and worth pursuing. So feasibility study is essentials in our business plan because it acts as a reality checks. It helps you avoid costly mistake and plan your business with confidence. A feasibility study is an analysis that takes all of a proper's relevant factors into account, including economic, technical, legal, and scheduling considerations to uncertain the likelihood of completing the projects successfully. So, a feasibility study is a detailed analysis to determine if the project is likely to succeed. It's consider important factors like cost atong gasto, technology is not teknolohiya, laws or batas, and time and oras. The goal is to find out if the project is possible, practical, and worth doing. So I have here example or situations. So a group of friends wants to open a melty shop in their neighborhood. So in economic feasibility or economic is making sure is the melty shop or your business is affordable, will be profitable. So in that case, dapat in economic, dapat wise ka if kana na business or melty shop is maka-gain ba ka ano or maka-earn ka na kita. And also, if maka-afford ba ang tong silingan. So dapat na case is i-consider jud nato atong price no para imong melty shop is dakay mo mamalit is because barato ra. Second is technical or technology or technical feasibility. So technical feasibility is, do you have a technology, skills, and resources needed? So in technical dapat naa kay mga equipment. For example, in multi shop, so dapat naa kay sealers and blenders. So if wala kay ani, so di ay na pagtukod og kuan melty shop if wala kay sealers and blenders. So useless ra imong pagkuan imong business idea if you have no equipment. So sa technical feasibility pod dapat napo kay skills na kabalo ka mo buhat og melty. So dili jud basta-basta no sa dapat naka equipment like sealers, blenders, then dapat kabalo ka naka skills sa pagkuan sa melty shop. So third is legal feasibility. So diri sa legal feasibility is dapat mag-research ka or mag-ask sa imong silingan if need ba permit sa atong melty shop or nabatay mga zoning laws allow of a shop in that location. So dapat moadto kag sa barangay or mga BIR mag-ask ka dito if nabay magkuha ba kag permits, magbayad ba ka if magtukod ka og melty shop or a business. The last one is schedule feasibility or is scheduling consideration. So diriya if imong business is na gusto ka is long term, so dapat nang-estimate nimo or kanang nanhuna ka na kana na business or melty shop dapat long term business na. So dapat mag-innovative ka or mag-create ka or mag-creative ka sa imong multi shop. For example, di ba sa uban multi shop is kanarang nag-ice, nag-ice, ana ilaha ilang multi shop. So ikaw mismo na kay multi shops na dapat na kay creative buti nimo design niya na ba para imong multi shop is long term good siya, long term business, di siya short term business. So if all this aspect look positive, so they can proceed or you can kana succeed or mas successful imong business. So if dili siya ma-failed siya or ma-failure is mag-adjust ka sa imong plans or imong pang reconsider imong mga plano sa imong business plan. The feasibility study is a research instrument used to evaluate the potential, viability, and practicability of a new firm. The following are some of the most important characteristics of feasibility study. So first is, it is a fantastic tool for predicting the possibility of a new business venture's success or failure. So the first characteristic of feasibility study is a feasibility study helps you figure out or predicting whether your business idea will work or not. It looks like a factor like market demands, mga competitions, and costs to estimate success or failure. So I have here a example. Before opening a coffee shop, Rota conducted a feasibility study to check if there is a demand for a coffee shop in her town. So dapat si Rota is mag-conduct jud siya og feasibility study sa ilang lugar if kanang iyang business na coffee shop is demand ba sa ilang lugar. For example, kanang kailangan ba nila or kanang hilig bag coffee ang mga katawhan dito sa ilang lugar. So, mo nang characteristics sa feasibility study. Second is, it can also be used to include new items or concept into the company's mix of offerings. So, business can use feasibility studies to test whether adding a new product or service is a good idea. So, the characteristic is dapat na kay word na innovative or kanang be creative diri ana characteristics. For example, a pizza restaurant wants to offer a sushi. They do a feasibility study to check if customers are interested is sushi add in a pizza. So, the study show that there's demand, so they add sushi in their menu. So dapat no di if creative ka pagkatao, so na-achieve mga so imong product is makuan jud sa mga customer, maganahan dahil mamalit, demand jud kayo siya. It because creative makay ka mo kuan sa imong product. So daka jud customer, demand jud kayo imong product sa mga katawhan. So third is a feasibility study entails all the steps necessary to determine whether business idea has a good chance of succeeding. So in that characteristics of feasibility study is, it is a complete process that includes market analysis, financial planning, mga legal checks, and resource evaluations to see if the idea is practical and likely to succeed. For example, si Sarah wants to open an online clothing store. Her feasibility study includes studying her target market, mga estimating costs, mga building a business plan, and checking shipping linguistics. So this gives his clear and picture of her chances to kanang business is na-clear or na chance na ma-success ang iyang business na clothing store. So fourth characteristic is, it is a step-by-step procedures that allows you to consider the benefits and drawbacks of each phase before the beginning of the actual procedures. So in that characteristic of feasibility study, it helps in comparing different locations or methods, weighing mga pros and mga cons before making decisions. So for example, in a coffee shop, or for example, in coffee shop, owner is deciding between two potential location. Through the feasibility study, he compares mga rent, mga foot traffic, mga neighbor competitions. So he chooses the one with higher foot traffic, even though he want to rent a little, even though the rent is a little chance. So in that case, or because it has a better potential sa iyang higher foot traffic, makagain man siya dito, if kato yang pilion na chay chance siya ba, na chay potential to makagain siya. And the last one of characteristic of feasibility study is it gives information for making key decisions, such as continuing forward with the idea, refining it, and abandoning it entirely. So based on the results, or the business owners can choose to move forward, improve the idea or not pursuing at all. For example, si Lina or si Kasal to start a paid grooming salon. Si Kasal magbuhat og paid grooming salon. After her feasibility study, she discovered that there was not enough demand in her area. So she decided to modify her plan and instead offer a mobile grooming services, mga which had better potential. So dapat diri apod sa characteristic of feasibility study. So dapat nakay creative jud, dapat ka nakay innovative na word ana ba kay para imong business is makuan jud siya kanang long term business jud siya, maka-gain ka, maka-profit jud ka, or ma-success imong business.